day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the T20 Ultra 2. It is a popular, affordable watch ultra clone in the market. And as you can see here, we have some details about the wearable. We have here 4 bands. We have a silicone strap here. All are silicone strap. We have 2 ocean strap and the usual sporty strap here. 2 sporty strap. On the side we have, so our color here is the space aluminum case, 49mm. It is using the iWatch Pro Support App T20 Gray. So we are going to check on this wearable. We are going to have the unboxing of the T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. And if you're planning to get this, and if you have some questions about the wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Alright, let's start and check on the contents of the T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So let's remove the plastic here. The back, let's check it first. Okay, so there's no details. Okay, except that we can be sure that it's a wireless charging with this image here and the name itself, wireless charging. Please use output below 2 ampere adapter. Okay, so let's check. Let's remove the plastic cover first. Okay, so T20 Ultra 2 gray color. Let's remove the cover here. Okay, so let's put it back in its place. So the contents of our smartwatch here, we have the user manual available in English and Chinese language. We have the smartwatch, the charging cable, wireless charging cable, still USB, and we have the strap here. Although it is it's a different image here, but we have it here, different style. This is not an ocean strap, so different style strap. We have a white color here, sporty strap, woven style sporty strap. Okay, and we have the ocean strap with a stainless steel buckle. Again, here are the contents of the T20 Ultra 2. We have the smartwatch, the strap, at least 4 straps is available for the wearable, and we have the wireless charging. For the smartwatch, I don't think this is gray. So it says here it is T20 gray. But this one, somewhat like stainless steel, glossy stainless steel here, with a silver buttons. We have a crown button here, side button. We have the orange action button, and of course the speaker. And we have here the sensor and a PC material here. Ceramic case. It says ceramic case, but I don't think it's ceramic case. More of a plastic case. We have the real screw here, and we have the watch strap lock. Okay, so far it looks okay. It looks decent, but you can feel that it's not premium, but still it looks decent. It seems like we do have a slim black border here, as you can see. Okay, so let's attach one of the strap here. Let's see. So there's no steel, very cheap strap, as you can see. I don't know if the lock here will hold on to the strap. Okay, it seems like it's a tight fit. And the other one, Okay, so that's it for our T20 Ultra 2. So strap attachment. Okay, for the specifications of the T20 Ultra 2, here is the specs for the display as well as some of the sensors and the battery. Again, the support app for this wearable is the iWatch Pro application. So let's try and turn it on and see. So power, this thing will not work. Let's press this one. Hopefully we still have a battery left. Okay, seems like it's depleted. Okay, so we'll charge it for just a few minutes and we'll get back to you and show you some of the features and of course the UI of the T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, so we have successfully charged the T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch for just a few minutes and we have at least a few battery life left here, as you can see. So let's check the basic UI of the T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Again, this is the crown button. So as you can see here, you can use the crown button to change the watch face. We have I think this is the return button. Okay, so on top we have the notifications. On the bottom part we have the settings here. So we have the music here, flashlight, and the multiple menu options. On the left side we have the split screen showing the recently accessed apps or functions. And on the right side we have the different watch faces. Aside from using the crown button, you can also use you can swipe if you want to change the watch face. To access the main menu, just press the home or the crown button here. As you can see, we have the zooming in and zooming out of the screen display here using our crown button. For the UI or for the different menus and features, let's see. We have style number 2 and we have the list. Okay, so we are going to explore more about the features here or the menus on our next video, the continuation of the unboxing of the T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time.